Hi, my name is Chirag Shah, and I'm an associate professor in iSchool. I'm also an adjunct faculty in computer science and HCDE. I want to tell you a little bit about what I'm interested in, what I do, and more specifically, what my lab, InfoSeeking, which I direct, does. I work mostly in search recommendation systems with techniques taken from data science, machine learning, and AI. In this brief presentation, I'll talk about two main themes currently going on in InfoSeeking Lab. One is on search and recommendation, and other is on fairness, accountability, transparency, and ethics, or FATE, in machine learning. So search and recommendations, what we're trying to do is going beyond the traditional search and recommendation systems and thinking about how we can make systems more proactive. So this is where the system can make recommendations even when the user doesn't know or doesn't ask for anything specifically. And this is very important in many areas where people don't know what they don't know, right? So how can we be smart about this? So we're working on intelligent agents. We are working on conversational systems that can actually have conversations with you rather than just a question or answer, just a query and document retrieval. And in that, trying to look at beyond just that one interaction and trying to understand the bigger context of the task. So we see this going forward. This is the sort of the new trend going into the next decade is systems, the information systems that are going to have more and more natural interactions that are more and more integrated into the task that you're trying to do. And they're of course smart. So that's one theme, and we're doing a lot of machine learning, applied machine learning with that. The other theme in the lab is FATE. So this is where we look at a machine learning system holistically and think about different sides, one of which is, of course, the users, but then there is also the service providers, information providers, content producers, and all kinds of things. And so how do we make things not just useful, but also transparent to the users? If we go for transparency, does it hurt the content providers? If we go for fairness, what does it mean? How do we reduce bias in different search systems, recommendation system? So there's a lot of work going on in this. One example is we have this little game called Google or Not. You can also actually play that, but we're trying to understand if we bring in diversity in search results, can people tell the difference? Because if they can, then essentially we're able to increase diversity without sacrificing user satisfaction. Right? So there are a lot of things that are happening within this space, the general space called responsible AI. So if you're interested in any of these things, check out the lab webpage. And if you're interested in doing something in the lab, we're always looking for great students, especially students who come from diverse background. You can contact my postdoc, Dr. Yunhe Feng, and I'm listing his email here so we can have more chat. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to seeing you all in some classes or research projects. Thank you.